Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve this question. This question is of NEET ask question. So a body under the action of a force F is equal to 6 I cap minus 8 G cap plus 8 K cap acquires an acceleration 1 meter per second square. The mass of this body must be. We have to find here the mass of that body. Force is given. Here force is given. See here, this force is given in the form of the vector, but acceleration is given in magnitude form. It's just magnitude is given here, and we have to find the mass. Okay, so we know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So we know that this force is given in the form of vector and acceleration is given in the form of magnitude. Therefore, to solve this question, we have to use this formula in magnitude form. That is force magnitude of force is equal to mass into magnitude of the acceleration. We know the magnitude of acceleration, that is 1 meter per second square, right? And now we have to find mass here. So first of all, we'll solve this for the magnitude. So magnitude of the force vector is equal to we know that the magnitude of any vector is the addition of the squares of its three perpendicular components, and here the component of the force on the x-axis is 6, so its square is 36, 6 square is 36, minus 8 square is 64, and 10 square is 100. After solving this, magnitude of force will be equal to these two numbers will become 100 and this again 100, so 200 under root 200, and square root of this, split this 200 into two numbers, 100 into 2, and that square root of the 100 is 10, so this 10 and root 2, this is what the force, right? So now use this formula to find the mass. So mass is equal to force, this force divided by this acceleration will be in division to this force, so equal to acceleration. So force is what, 10 root 2 divided by acceleration is given here 1, so mass will be equal to 10 root 2. See here, force is in newtons and acceleration is 1 meter per second square, therefore this mass will be in the kilogram, right? So this is what the mass of this particle.